Another burst of strong to damaging winds is currently moving across southeastern Australia. And behind this, we'll see more showers and cold air into this weekend with the potential for more snow down to low levels. First, the warnings as of Wednesday afternoon. And the Bureau has issued severe weather warnings for damaging winds covering parts of Victoria and New South Wales. And damaging winds have the potential to bring down trees and power lines and generate hazardous driving conditions. First in Victoria, and we've already seen winds building across Wednesday morning through western and central parts of the state, and we will see those winds intensifying into Wednesday evening and extend into eastern morning areas. Wind gusts of up to 100 kilometres an hour are possible for the Grampians, Otways and some of the northern suburbs around Melbourne, and for the alpine areas we could see wind gusts of around 120 kilometres an hour. In New South Wales, we'll see winds building across the snowy mountains from early Thursday morning in excess of 90 kilometres an hour, but for some of the higher peaks in New South Wales, we could see wind gusts in excess of 125 kilometres an hour. So if you will be in these areas on Wednesday evening and to Thursday morning, make sure you have the latest information and warnings for your area. And having a look at the winds now above the surface, and starting off first with Wednesday, we can see some of those winds in excess of 90 kilometres an hour entering Western Victoria, which could be mixed down to elevated terrain. That will extend into Eastern Victoria into Wednesday night and Thursday morning, and then Thursday morning into Eastern New South Wales. Winds will ease from the west, initially across Western Victoria from Thursday morning, and then across other warning areas through the day. But even as those winds ease, it will remain quite brisk, especially for Southern Victoria and also Tasmania. And these winds are part of a series of cold fronts moving through southeastern Australia. This first cold front is coming through on Thursday with showers, but the second cold front behind this will bring even colder air from Friday and into Saturday for South Australia, Victoria, Tasmania and also New South Wales. So into Saturday, we can expect cold air, brisk winds, showers, as well as local hail. And it will bring the snow level right down across Victoria, Tasmania and New South Wales. So taking a closer look at the snow, we can see with the coldest air coming through from Saturday afternoon and into the evening, the snow level will fall to around 500 metres in Tasmania, in Victoria around 800 to 900 metres, and in New South Wales, particularly about the central tablelands, down to around 1,000 to 1,100 metres, and we could see snow flurries to even lower levels than this. So with damaging winds and some cold weather coming up across southeastern Australia, make sure you have the latest information and warnings for your area from the Bureau's website and social media, and please stay safe.